So just in 90 days, I built a one-product store that made over $300,000. And in this video, I will reveal everything on how I did it for you to literally copy everything and start your own dropshipping store today. I will show you the exact product I sold, how I designed this store to convert like crazy, the strategies I used to create and launch high-performing ads, and even the suppliers I trusted to deliver the orders. So if you're ready to learn how to scale a dropshipping store into a six-figure business, grab a notebook and let's dive in.
This is day 7 of building a clothing brand to 100K per month, May 2020. This is literally a logo that I built 4 years ago. Outcast Club with a K. How intuitive was that? Now let me tell you something. This was something that I wanted to do for a very long time. I just postponed it. Not because I didn't know how, but because I was just simply lazy. And I feel that everyone feels that way. 99% of people do. Now, instead of building a clothing brand to the heights that I knew I could, instead I did a couple side quests. These are literally the business models I did. I listed it on my phone, I'll tell you. I focused on drop shipping. I had an email marketing agency, a content creation agency, and even started my own YouTube channel that brought me to where I am today.